welcome to Zamboanga.
Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. This is Roald TV PH. So here we go guys. We are going to have our fishing. We are going to Pitas Island, right? Together with my team Auto Jacks and Chavacano Anglers Club. Okay, lagi kami aura na Bolong barangay or naside aki guys, aki al Bolong Beach. So ready kami para anda na island. So STL parking area del Bolong Beach. Aki se portion na barangay hall. So api kita min aki el church del Bolong. So on the right side guys. So tali el beach, el Bolong Beach. So manada kenta anda banya kasi Sunday. So tiene mga bangka para pwede man travel para na isla. Okay? So guys, so mucho mga labanya este mga time, mucho mga tanda man picnic. Okay, itong banding medyo alto poco el ano guys, agua. So dapat kita man registered el name bago tayo pupunta sa may island. So doon po tayo pupunta sa island guys, yon. Yan ang Pitas Island. Isa sa mga island dito sa Bolong. So doon po kami magpipishing mamaya with my team. Okay? Ready na kami guys. So
Going na kami sa Hello, welcome to Zamboanga. Pitas Island. Malapit na kami sa Pitas Island guys.
alright guys, dito po kami sa may isla ng Pitas Island. Dito po kami sa may left side portion.
Guys, sakya kami ng island. Shout out Ralph. SLD La Cottage. Ito po yung cottage. Meron po silang ditong CR. So ito po isa sa mga island ng Bolong, Pitas Island. Okay. So no problem. Meron silang CR. Meron sila TV. Doon no guys, TV. Yo. Alright. Here we go here in the Vitas Island, guys. So dito yung mga kasama ko sa likod. So we're going to have a fishing here just for fun, guys. Enjoy lang, relax, Sunday relax. Ito yung after nyo. Guys, the rock formation. Master Jason. Tanasembol el Jisuyo bingit. Para kuy dalag. Hi guys, this is my new rod. This is the reel. This is the line. And this is the hook. Okay, we're going to have fishing here in Alditas Island. So sana maraming kuha namin, guys.